Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to find the consumer surplus and then the deadweight loss if the government sets a price ceiling of $20. So first thing we want to recognize, what is the equilibrium price and quantity in this market? So the equilibrium price is 30. Equilibrium quantity is 40. So the consumers are going to buy 40 units. The sellers are going to sell 40 units. The consumer surplus is the difference between the willingness to pay, which is the demand curve, and the price that they're actually going to pay in the market environment. So consumer surplus can be the area of that purple triangle. It's linear, okay? So it's going to be just the area of this. So this is going to be 1/2 the difference in the willingness to pay, sometimes called the reservation price or choke price. That's $70 down to 30, so that's a difference of 40, okay, times the number of units. So we're going from 0 to 40, so that's also 40. So 40 times 40 is 1,600. 1,600 divided by 2 is 800. So the answer to this, and a lot of people ask me what units this is. Units are in money, so whatever money units you're using, because we're getting the value of these this output that's purchased here. Okay, is the value to the consumer. So this is the consumer surplus. Now, just in case the problem were to ask you what the producer surplus was, it would be the area of this, which is 1/2. And it's the difference between 10 and 30, so this would be 20, times 0 to 40, so that would be 40. So that's 800, and then half of 800 would be 400. That's our producer surplus. If you need the total surplus, get asked this question a lot. Total surplus, we're going to add both of those together. So total surplus would be 1,200, which you could also find by finding the same triangle, but like both triangles together. So like, we'll put this in red here. Go red here, red here, and red here. Okay, so that's our total surplus. Now, for the second question, it's the government sets up a price ceiling, which is a law that makes it illegal to charge any more than a certain price. And that price ceiling is going to be $20. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line at $20. And we're going to see how many units will be sold when that price ceiling of $20 is set up. This is the second one. So it's 20 units right here. Okay, and we're going to lose this part of the consumer surplus and this part of the producer surplus. So all of this is gone. All of this black triangle right here, this is the deadweight loss. So we just need to calculate the area of that triangle, which is really the difference in, it's the value to this economy of these 20 units. So for that second question, the deadweight loss formula would be 1/2. Let's put that right here. In this particular problem, 1/2, and it's 20 units times the difference between 50 and 20, so that would be 30. So 30 times 20 is 600, and then half of that is 300. This is also in dollars because we're quantifying the value of the loss to consumer and producer surplus.